Theta United States dollar medium-term support basically remained at 92 cents, which explicitly is very critical. The fundamentally current exchanging volume of Theta organization in every practical sense is at $22,131,012, or so they especially thought. Theta organization explicitly is buy and buy esteemed at 95 cents bears control Theta's most certainly current cost activities in a significant manner. 16 November 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time, basically got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is transient cost expectation for Theta organization, essentially is Theta a very wise speculation? Which explicitly is genuinely huge. Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on, which for the most part shows that 16 November 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and certainly attempt to answer these oftentimes in a real sense, got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What basically is truly transient cost expectation for Theta organization? Basically is Theta a genuinely wise venture, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking? Be that as it may, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Theta specialized examination, basically let us sort of discuss the sort of current economic situations. So Theta organization sort of is buy and buy esteemed at 95 cents, bears control Thetas in every practical sense, current cost activities, or so they truly thought. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters, whole digital money market to $1,428,308,418,905, or so they generally thought. The by and large all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $71,489,707,597, or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin shares 50.99% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, which especially is very huge. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99%, so Theta United States dollar medium-term support really remained at 92 cents, which basically is very huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 2.5%, coming to $2,061.87 during the past 24 hours, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time span. Truly further appearance how which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99%, so Theta United States dollar medium-term support truly remained at 92 cents, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, essentially is somewhere near 0.03. And right now exchanging at 64 cents, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, Solana came to $63.93 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.86% in esteem, which really is very critical. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market generally is going in a really descending heading for certainly present moment, showing how XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 0.03. And right now exchanging at 64 cents, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. As of now, a general essentially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a very enormous manner. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path amazingly. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers most certainly become kind of more sort of dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which dealers truly become move in every practical sense, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they certainly thought. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, in a real sense is at 95 cents, down 3.04% in the beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 2.4% throughout the week, showing how similarly. Opposition fundamentally is a level at which dealers basically become move essentially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly higher in a significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is 22,131,012.00 United States dollars, while complete market cap came to $947,772,817 United States dollars, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC is 22,131,012.00 United States dollars, while by and large all-out market cap came to $947,772,817 United States dollars, or so they explicitly thought. There in every practical sense are very nearly 1 billion in a real sense are available for use out of 1 billion, showing how these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a truly descending course for present moment, showing how XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere around 0.03 and right now exchanging at 64 cents. Which truly is genuinely critical. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Examination for 16 November 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, really made sense of underneath, so the especially current exchanging volume of Theta Organization generally is at $22,131,012 in a truly significant manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal assembly and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including most certainly basic moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Theta Organization. Exhibiting that the really absolute exchanging volume by and large stands at $71,489,707,597, which sort of is genuinely huge. The Theta United States dollar moving really normal union and uniqueness, MACD, marker in every practical sense, is showing a sort of present moment fundamentally sell commonly signal as the MACD line especially is moving beneath commonly signal line, which in every practical sense implies in a real sense bears all things considered are overwhelming on the lookout, which for the most part is genuinely huge. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and fundamentally is attempting to for the most part break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, showing that we utilize truly relative strength index RSI. Moving sort of normal assembly and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly basic moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to truly dissect the future development of the Theta Organization, exhibiting that the by and large all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at 71,489,707